Welcome to Realty Rookies, your ultimate guide to navigating the exciting world of real estate. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, we've got the tips, tricks, and insider knowledge to help you succeed in your real estate journey. Are you ready to unlock the potential of making $3 million a year with an Airbnb business? Today, we're diving into the world of Airbnb entrepreneurship, where strategic planning and effective management can pave the way to financial success beyond your wildest dreams. The Airbnb platform has revolutionized the way people travel and opened up a world of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. With the right approach, an Airbnb business has the potential to generate significant income, allowing you to reach new heights of financial freedom. Strategic planning is key to maximizing the profitability of your Airbnb business. By carefully selecting properties, optimizing pricing strategies, and providing exceptional guest experiences, you can create a lucrative income stream that grows exponentially over time. Effective management is equally crucial in ensuring the long-term success of your Airbnb venture. From property maintenance to guest communication, every aspect of your business requires attention to detail and a commitment to excellence. What sets Airbnb apart is its scalability and profitability. With the ability to manage multiple properties and attract a global audience of travelers, the earning potential is virtually limitless. Join us as we explore the exciting world of Airbnb entrepreneurship and discover how you can turn your passion for hospitality into a multi-million-dollar business. Understanding the Airbnb business model. Have you ever wondered how Airbnb manages to connect hosts with guests from around the world? Let's take a closer look at the key components and workings of the Airbnb business model that have made it a global hospitality powerhouse. At the heart of Airbnb's success is its online platform, which serves as a marketplace for hosts to list their properties and for guests to book accommodations. This seamless connection between hosts and guests has revolutionized the way people travel, offering unique and personalized experiences that traditional hotels often cannot match. Airbnb hosts have a variety of revenue streams at their disposal, including nightly rates for accommodations and additional services such as cleaning fees, experiences, and more. By strategically pricing their listings and offering value-added services, hosts can maximize their earnings and attract more bookings. Positive guest experiences play a crucial role in driving bookings and revenue for Airbnb hosts. By providing exceptional hospitality, maintaining clean and well-equipped properties, and offering personalized touches, hosts can earn glowing reviews and build a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for more. In the competitive world of short-term rentals, guest satisfaction is key to long-term success and profitability. Strategies for maximizing Airbnb revenue. Are you ready to take your Airbnb business to the next level and reach that coveted $3 million a year goal? Let's explore some effective strategies that can help you boost your Airbnb revenue and achieve financial success beyond your expectations. Pricing strategies play a crucial role in maximizing your Airbnb revenue. Consider implementing dynamic pricing, which adjusts your rates based on demand and market trends, to ensure that you are always optimizing your earnings. Additionally, make seasonal adjustments to capitalize on peak travel periods and adjust your rates accordingly to attract more guests and increase your overall revenue. Enhancing your property listings is another key strategy for boosting Airbnb revenue. Invest in professional photography, write compelling descriptions, and highlight the unique features of your property to attract more guests and increase your occupancy rates. By creating an inviting and informative listing, you can stand out from the competition and capture the attention of potential guests. Customer service and guest satisfaction are paramount in generating repeat bookings and maximizing your Airbnb revenue. Provide exceptional hospitality, respond promptly to guest inquiries and feedback, and go above and beyond to ensure that every guest has a memorable experience. By prioritizing customer service and guest satisfaction, you can build a loyal customer base that keeps coming back and helps you achieve your revenue goals. Scaling your Airbnb business. Ready to take your Airbnb business to new heights and achieve substantial annual earnings? Let's delve into strategies for scaling your Airbnb business effectively and unlocking its full income potential. One key strategy for scaling your Airbnb business is expanding your property portfolio. By acquiring additional properties, you can increase your rental income and reach higher revenue goals. Consider investing in properties in high-demand areas or tourist destinations to attract more guests and maximize your earnings. Managing multiple listings can be a daunting task, which is why exploring property management services can be a game changer for scaling your Airbnb business. Property management services can help you streamline operations, handle guest inquiries, coordinate cleaning and maintenance, and ensure that all your listings are running smoothly. By outsourcing these tasks, you can focus on growing your business and expanding your portfolio with ease. Diversification is another key strategy for scaling your Airbnb business. Consider diversifying into different locations or property types to tap into new markets and revenue streams. By offering a variety of accommodations, you can attract a broader range of guests and increase your overall revenue. Diversification also helps mitigate risks and ensures that your business remains resilient in changing market conditions. Ready to scale your Airbnb business and achieve substantial annual earnings? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your income soar. Financial management and investment strategies. To run a successful Airbnb business and achieve the ambitious goal of making $3 million a year, it's crucial to have a solid grasp of the financial aspects involved. Let's explore key financial management and investment strategies that can help you reach your income targets and ensure long-term profitability. Budgeting, tracking expenses, and optimizing cash flow are essential components of financial management for an Airbnb business. By creating a detailed budget that accounts for all expenses, tracking your income and expenditures, and optimizing your cash flow through strategic pricing and cost-saving measures, you can maintain financial stability and maximize your profits. Investment opportunities within the Airbnb ecosystem can further enhance your revenue potential. Consider opportunities such as property acquisitions or renovations to expand your portfolio and attract more guests. Investing in property upgrades or expanding into new markets can increase the value of your listings and generate higher returns in the long run. Understanding tax implications and implementing effective financial planning strategies are also critical for maximizing profits and minimizing costs in your Airbnb business. Consult with financial experts to optimize your tax strategy, take advantage of deductions and credits, and develop a comprehensive financial plan that aligns with your income goals. By proactively managing your finances and making strategic investments, you can pave the way for financial success and achieve your $3 million a year target. Marketing and branding your Airbnb business. In the competitive world of short-term rentals, effective marketing and branding strategies can make all the difference in attracting more guests and increasing bookings for your Airbnb business. Let's explore key tactics to elevate your marketing efforts and establish a strong brand presence that sets you apart from the competition. Utilizing social media, online advertising, and strategic partnerships can significantly boost the visibility of your Airbnb listings. Leverage platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to showcase your properties, engage with potential guests, and drive traffic to your listings. Consider running targeted online ads to reach a broader audience and collaborate with local businesses or influencers to expand your reach and attract new guests. Creating a unique brand identity is essential for standing out in the crowded Airbnb marketplace. Develop a cohesive brand image that reflects your values, style, and hospitality approach. Offer personalized guest experiences that leave a lasting impression and encourage positive word-of-mouth referrals. Positive reviews and testimonials play a crucial role in building credibility and trust with potential guests. Encourage satisfied guests to leave reviews and testimonials, and showcase them prominently on your listings. By cultivating a reputation for exceptional service and hospitality, you can attract more bookings and establish a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for more. Elevate your marketing and branding efforts to unlock the full potential of your Airbnb business and achieve your revenue goals. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of making $3 million a year with an Airbnb business, let's recap the key points and takeaways that can help you turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Strategic planning, effective management, and scalability are the cornerstones of achieving financial success in the dynamic world of Airbnb entrepreneurship. By carefully planning your pricing strategies, enhancing your property listings, and prioritizing guest satisfaction, you can maximize your revenue potential and reach your income goals. Investing in property acquisitions, leveraging property management services, and diversifying your portfolio can further propel your Airbnb business to new heights of success. We encourage you to implement the strategies discussed in this video to grow your Airbnb business and unlock its full income potential. Whether you're a seasoned host or just starting out, these proven tactics can help you achieve financial freedom and build a thriving hospitality business. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. See you next time on Realty Rookies, where your real estate adventure begins.